Ever wondered what life is like in the hidden corners of our world? Spoiler alert, it's not like your last vacation. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to one of the most fascinating and lesser-known corners of our world, the Maasai villages of Kenya. No, they don't have Wi-Fi. These are not your typical tourist spots. These are hidden gems where the heartbeat of Maasai culture thrives. And no, you won't find a Starbucks here. As the sun rises over the vast African plains, we're greeted by the rhythmic chants and melodies of traditional Maasai music. It's like their version of a morning playlist. Through the lens of our drone, we capture the endless golden savanna stretching into the horizon, dotted with the iconic acacia trees. No filters needed. It's a landscape that tells a story of resilience and beauty, and probably a few mosquito bites. Zooming in, we find ourselves amidst a bustling Maasai village. No Uber here, folks. Here, life moves in harmony with nature. We see women adorned in vibrant shukas, their intricate beadwork shimmering in the sunlight. Talk about accessorizing. These are the hands that craft stories into every piece of jewelry they wear. Let's step closer. But not too close. Personal space, people. Notice the young moran, or warriors, leaping high into the air. No trampolines involved. This is not just a dance. It's a rite of passage, a symbol of their journey into manhood. Think of it as their version of a graduation ceremony. Their faces, painted with determination and pride, tell tales of courage and tradition. And maybe a little bit of, I woke up like this. Now for something truly special. Drumroll, please. We're witnessing the spear outside other people's wives' ritual. No, it's not what you think. This ancient practice, steeped in cultural significance, is a testament to the Maasai's complex social structures and deep-seated traditions. And you thought your family traditions were complicated. It's a powerful moment, handled with utmost respect and sensitivity. No jokes here, folks. But the Maasai story is not just about tradition. It's also about change and resilience. And no, they don't have a reality TV show. It's also about change and resilience. And no, they don't have a reality TV show. Meet the women who dared to say no. No, not to desert. These brave souls are challenging age-old norms and carving out new paths for themselves and future generations. Talk about girl power. Their voices add a rich layer of complexity to our understanding of Maasai culture. And you thought your group chats were complex. As our journey draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of wonder and respect. And maybe a little sunburn. The Maasai people, with their vibrant traditions and unwavering spirit, offer us a glimpse into a world where culture and nature are deeply intertwined. No Wi-Fi required. Stay tuned for more stories from the hidden corners of our incredible world. And maybe pack some bug spray next time. And remember, within video, you too can tell powerful stories that unveil the hidden gems of human culture. No editing degree required. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating. And maybe bring a hat.